So how to select the ISO? There will be ISO button. Click that ISO button. From here you can select the ISO. You can create 3 auto plus with the minimum shutter. So it means that normally this is not a problem with Fujifilm X-S10. This is a problem with the camera without any IPS in body image stabilizer. So normally most of the camera without IPS you cannot go below 60, but for this camera I can easily select the minimum shutter. For example, minimum shutter can be like 130, 140 will be absolutely fine. So this is how you change the ISO. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.